So I've been using this product since around September this year, so September 2024, and it's been working quite well for me. I've made some affiliate sales just by following the instructions, and also I've made sales of the product itself just by promoting ATM profits. So it definitely does work, and I'm continuing to use the product to this day. So the product I'm reviewing is called ATM Profits, and it's basically showing you an evergreen method which is used to make money online, and it's 100% beginner friendly. So this product was created by John Newman and Cynthia Benitez, a couple of real heavyweights in the affiliate marketing world. So this is the members area of ATM Profits, and you have a series of modules to complete. So you've got a welcome video here, and then it goes into what they call quick orientation. This is basically they're showing you how to navigate yourself around the system. And then there's an advanced training call. You don't have to take this. This is completely optional, totally up to you, but it just gives you an opportunity to get some advanced training. And then he goes in to talk about mindset. Now, doing this kind of make money online thing, you have to, be in the right frame of mind. You have to, want to do it. You have to want to succeed. So he just talks about a little bit about that here. And then we come along to module 2, which is all about the main training. So in this overview section, you've got a couple of videos where they talk about the actual product. So this product is about sending traffic to an offer, building your email list, and then sending out more emails about that offer and making sales. So he talks about it here, and he also gives you a visual overview of the actual system as well. And then John gives you a case study where he shows how he's actually made money using this system. And then he goes on to talk about how to set up your autoresponder for sending out your emails. There's two ways of creating a funnel, and you're shown both ways here. So you've got a done for you funnel where they give you the funnel and you just import it, or you can create it from scratch and they talk you through that with the DIY funnel. And then there's a section on picking your offers. So you'll create a Warrior Plus account, which is completely free, and you'll choose some offers to promote, and these will be the offers that get sent out in your emails. And then you've got a section here called email follow-ups, and this is where they'll show you how to set up your email sequence in your autoresponder. And they're also giving you free email swipes that you can use. So you don't need to actually write any emails from scratch. You can just copy and paste their ones and just add your product affiliate links in there. Now you're going to need traffic to your offers, and they're showing you here in the running traffic module how to do that. You've also got a section on tracking your traffic. You need to know how to track your traffic so you know how many people are opening your emails and how many people are clicking on the links. You've got a section on email broadcasts, and this is where you send a sort of one-off email to your subscribers promoting a particular product. It tells you how to keep your list clean, so how to get rid of people who are actually not clicking in your emails or even opening your emails. So it shows you how to clean those people from your list. Now, when you join ATM Profits, you're eligible also to promote it, and they're going to bump your commissions up as well. So you get a chance to make even more money. Then there's the conclusion and some bonuses that they're giving you, and some unannounced bonuses as well, a resources section and an upgrade section as well. So that's basically what you get inside the ATM Profits product. So it's a good product. It shows you how to create a list of subscribers, how to run traffic, and how to mail out to those subscribers and make sales. So just by following the steps in this product, I've been starting to make affiliate sales, and they've been coming through pretty consistently on Warrior Plus, and they will for you also if you just follow the steps in ATM Profits. So I've left a link below in the description if you want to join and try this product out. Thanks for watching.